IT professionals face constant challenges. Systems crash, networks fail, applications misbehave. Every day brings a new set of problems that need immediate attention. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and with it, the complexity of managing IT infrastructure grows. From unexpected downtimes to security breaches, the list of potential issues is endless. IT teams are often the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. But the reality is, their job is far from easy. Troubleshooting these issues is time-consuming and frustrating. The pressure is immense. Deadlines loom, users grow impatient. Every minute of downtime can mean significant losses for businesses. IT professionals are constantly juggling multiple tasks, from fixing bugs to ensuring network security. The stress can be overwhelming, and the stakes are always high. They need to be quick, efficient, and precise, often working long hours to resolve issues that can arise at any moment. Imagine a world where these burdens are lifted, a world where technology works seamlessly, and IT professionals can focus on innovation rather than firefighting. This isn't a distant dream, but a tangible reality within our grasp. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we are on the brink of a new era in IT management, an era where proactive solutions replace reactive measures, and efficiency is the norm. A world where complex problems are easily solved, where predictive analytics can foresee issues before they arise, and automated systems can handle routine tasks with precision. This transformation is not just about making life easier for IT professionals, it's about revolutionizing the entire IT landscape. It's about creating a more resilient, responsive, and robust infrastructure that can adapt to the ever-changing demands of the digital age. That's the promise of ChatGPT Deep Research. By harnessing the power of advanced AI, ChatGPT Deep Research offers solutions that are not only intelligent but also intuitive. It understands the intricacies of IT challenges and provides insights that can drive better decision-making. It's like having a supercharged assistant that can think, learn, and adapt, making the impossible possible. ChatGPT Deep Research is a game-changer for IT. It brings a new level of sophistication to problem-solving, enabling IT teams to work smarter, not harder. With its advanced algorithms and deep learning capabilities, it can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing actionable insights that can prevent issues before they escalate. It's about transforming the way IT professionals work, making their jobs more manageable and their outcomes more predictable. It leverages the power of artificial intelligence to streamline workflows and simplify complex tasks. From automating routine maintenance to optimizing network performance, ChatGPT Deep Research is designed to enhance every aspect of IT operations. It's about creating a seamless integration between human expertise and machine intelligence, ensuring that IT systems are always at their best. This isn't just automation, it's about intelligence augmentation. It's about empowering IT professionals with tools that enhance their capabilities, allowing them to achieve more with less effort. It's about creating a collaborative environment where humans and machines work together in harmony, each complementing the other's strengths. With ChatGPT Deep Research, the future of IT is not just about surviving, but thriving. Let's explore how this revolutionary technology can transform the way you work. Join us on this journey to discover the full potential of ChatGPT Deep Research and see how it can redefine the IT landscape. The future is here, and it's brighter than ever. ChatGPT Deep Research is an advanced AI model, designed to revolutionize the way we handle IT tasks. Imagine having a tool that not only understands your needs but also anticipates them. This AI is built to think and process information like a human expert, but with the speed and efficiency of a machine. It understands and processes information like a human expert, making it an invaluable asset in any IT environment. Whether you're dealing with complex data sets or simple queries, this AI can handle it all with ease. It can analyze code, interpret logs, and even provide solutions to your toughest IT challenges. Imagine having a partner that can sift through mountains of data in seconds, pinpointing issues and offering actionable insights. This isn't your typical chatbot. While traditional chatbots are limited to pre-programmed responses, ChatGPT Deep Research goes beyond simple question-and-answer interactions. It engages in meaningful conversations, understands context, and provides nuanced responses. ChatGPT Deep Research goes beyond simple question-and-answer interactions. It can dive deep into your data, uncovering hidden patterns and trends that might be missed by the human eye. This level of analysis is crucial for making informed decisions and staying ahead in the competitive IT landscape. It dives deep into your data, processing vast amounts of information at lightning speed. This capability allows it to identify patterns and anomalies that could indicate potential issues or opportunities for optimization. It identifies patterns and anomalies, providing insights that would take human analysts hours, even days, to uncover. This means you can address problems before they escalate, ensuring smoother operations and better performance. It provides insights that would take human analysts hours, even days, to uncover. For IT professionals, this means faster problem resolution, improved system stability, and increased productivity. Imagine the time saved and the efficiency gained by having such a powerful tool at your disposal. For IT professionals, this means faster problem resolution, improved system stability, and increased productivity. The ability to quickly identify and resolve issues translates to less downtime and more time spent on innovation and growth. It's like having an army of virtual assistants at your disposal, each one specialized in a different area of IT. From network security to data management, these AI assistants work tirelessly to ensure your IT infrastructure runs smoothly and efficiently. With ChatGPT Deep Research, you're not just keeping up with the future of IT, you're leading the way. Let's get practical. We'll demonstrate how ChatGPT Deep Research tackles two common IT challenges: debugging Python errors and analyzing AWS CloudTrail logs. Imagine you're facing a cryptic Python error message. You've spent hours trying to pinpoint the root cause, but the solution remains elusive. With ChatGPT Deep Research, you simply paste the error message and the relevant code snippet. The AI analyzes the code, identifies the error, and provides a clear explanation. It even suggests potential fixes, saving you countless hours of debugging. Decoding AWS CloudTrail logs. AWS CloudTrail logs are essential for security auditing and troubleshooting. However, these logs are notoriously verbose and difficult to analyze manually. ChatGPT Deep Research simplifies this process. Feed it your CloudTrail logs and it will extract key information, identify suspicious activity, and generate concise reports. This allows you to quickly identify and respond to security threats and operational issues. Section 4, Pro Tips: Maximizing ChatGPT for IT Success. To get the most out of ChatGPT Deep Research, consider these pro tips. Be specific. Provide clear and concise prompts to guide the AI. Context is key. Include relevant background information and code snippets. Iterate and refine. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions and refine your prompts for optimal results. Validate outputs. Always double-check the AI's outputs and use your own judgment. By following these tips, you can leverage ChatGPT Deep Research as a powerful tool to enhance your IT workflows. Section 5, AI's Limits. Proceed with caution. While ChatGPT Deep Research is incredibly powerful, it's crucial to acknowledge its limitations. This technology, though advanced, is not infallible. Understanding its boundaries is essential for leveraging its full potential without falling into common pitfalls. AI is not a magic bullet. It cannot solve every problem or answer every question with absolute accuracy. It's a sophisticated tool, but like any tool, it has its constraints and should be used with a clear understanding of what it can and cannot do. It's a tool that should be used responsibly and ethically. The ethical use of AI involves being aware of its potential impacts on society and individuals. This means considering the consequences of AI decisions and ensuring that they align with ethical standards and societal values. Bias AI models are trained on massive datasets which can contain biases. These biases can be reflected in the AI's outputs, leading to skewed or unfair results. It's important to recognize that the data used to train AI can influence its behavior in unintended ways. Be aware of potential biases and critically evaluate the AI's outputs. Always question the data and the context in which the AI was trained. This critical evaluation helps in identifying and mitigating biases, ensuring more accurate and fair outcomes. Hallucinations. AI models can sometimes generate incorrect or nonsensical outputs known as hallucinations. These errors can occur due to various reasons, including ambiguous input or limitations in the training data. Always verify the AI's responses. Cross-referencing with multiple sources can help in identifying and correcting these hallucinations. Verification is a crucial step in ensuring the reliability of AI-generated information. Security. Never share sensitive information with AI models unless you are certain of their security protocols. AI systems can be vulnerable to breaches, and safeguarding sensitive data is paramount. By understanding these limitations, you can mitigate risks and use AI responsibly. Responsible use involves continuous learning and adaptation, staying informed about the latest developments and best practices in AI technology. This proactive approach ensures that AI remains a beneficial tool rather than a source of unforeseen problems. Section 6. The future is AI-powered. A glimpse into tomorrow's IT. The future of IT is deeply intertwined with AI. ChatGPT Deep Research is just the beginning. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more powerful tools that will further revolutionize IT workflows. Imagine AI-powered systems that can proactively identify and resolve issues before they impact users. Automate complex IT tasks, freeing up human experts for strategic work. Provide personalized IT support tailored to individual user needs. The possibilities are limitless. Section 7. Conclusion: embrace the AI revolution in IT. ChatGPT Deep Research is a game-changer for IT. It empowers IT professionals to work smarter, not harder. By embracing this revolutionary technology, you can streamline workflows, improve system stability, and unlock new levels of productivity. Don't get left behind. Explore the power of ChatGPT Deep Research and join the AI revolution in IT. Section 8. One last thing. Remember, the key to success with AI is to approach it as a collaborative tool. Combine the power of AI with your own expertise and judgment to achieve remarkable results. The future of IT is bright, and it's powered by AI.